guys, I'm going to be doing a haul from Michael's and PetSmart and Walmart. So let's get on to it. First, I'm going to do Michael's because that's where I went first. I got, oh wait, no, this was from Walmart, sorry. I got some foam balls. And I got some black chunky glitter. And I got this little vase. It's so tiny and cute. I'm going to use it for my dolls. Second, I got from Walmart. I got 2 all glues. I got this daily blend for Oreo. And it has it's very nutritious. It says it has no fat and no sugar. No sugar. It has little treats and then some seeds, sunflower seeds, and some normal food. And then I got from PetSmart, I got some bedding that's white, and it's for hamsters and guinea pigs, rabbits. And then I got a hide for her. It goes with her cage perfectly because her cage is purple. And she loves it. She's already been in it so far. And yeah, guys, that's all I got. I know it's not that big of a thing, but I'm going to be making a Oreo slime with this, these, and some black glitter if you couldn't already tell. And then this is going to be used for the kitchen. And of course for the hamster. And for the hamster. Because she won't eat her food if she doesn't have treats in it. Really, Oreo? And I'll get her out for you guys to see. Here. It's okay. Here, it's okay. She's not being very well right now. It's okay. Like, she's not doing very well right now. Here she is. She just wants to say hi. Say hi, Oreo. You scared? No camera. Say hi. So hope you like this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, guys.